everyone. Welcome to this new session of Learning English with BodhiSutra. Today, we are going to take a look at a conversation between two friends talking about working late night versus working early in morning. Let's have a look. Hi, Aman. How are you? Hi, I am well. How are you? I'm fine, just a bit tired, that's all. Oh, why so? Well, work has been pretty hectic, and I had to put in some late nights to finish the work on deadline. Late night working can lead to tiredness and lethargy. Why didn't you rest during the day then? That's the problem. I can't do that as I have to get back to my regular work during the day and finish pending work during the night. That sounds pretty bad. It's a vicious circle. Yes, I can't seem to find a solution, and it is starting to take a toll on my health now. Not to mention the late night junk food cravings I get while trying to stay awake to finish my work. Can't you speak to your superiors to take a day off? Maybe it will help you take stock of everything and rejuvenate. That seems out of the question right now, considering I have to stay awake all night and day just to keep up. I think you should try changing your work schedule a bit. How so? Well, you could start your work early in the morning instead of staying up late at night. But what about the pending or extra work that I get each day? You should do the extra work early in the morning and then start with the rest of the day at regular work timings. Oh, waking up early is so difficult though. Yes, it might be a bit difficult to adjust, but once you start practicing, your body will adjust quickly. I think that the most peaceful time to work is in the night though. No distractions, no calls, no household work in between to take care of. It all helps me concentrate better. All the advantages that you just listed about working in the night, you will experience the same by working in the morning. In fact, you just might discover a few added benefits. Oh, really? What added benefits are you talking about? Well, there have been scientific studies carried out to find out the most productive time of the day, and it has been found that our attitudes are much brighter and positive in the morning. True, mornings do bring a fresh start to the day. Indeed, as we wake after a good night's rest, we become happier, warmer, and enjoy our work more. The good feeling of having a productive day at work will last typically till afternoon. I did notice that in the night, I'm mostly working against the deadline rather than enjoying my work. Yes, that's a possibility. It's a possible side effect of working late. Studies have shown that the speed and accuracy of completing tasks are better in the morning, thereby increasing our efficiency too. They do sound like the added benefits that you were talking about. Exactly. Not to mention the feeling of tiredness that you have right now due to staying up late and incomplete rest will completely go away. How? Wouldn't I feel sleepy throughout the day if I wake up at 4:30 a.m. to start my work by 5 a.m.? No, silly. That's what the scientists have researched, isn't it? If we go to sleep by 10:30 p.m. or by 11 p.m., we will get ample amount of rest. I don't think we will be sleepy throughout the day then. I understand. Yes, in fact, we are also the most alert during the day and have the best logic and deduction powers in the morning. These are definitely helpful in carrying out our work in the best way. Wow, really? That's something I didn't know. Oh, yes. Even I did research about this only recently when I started waking up early to start my day. Looks like waking up early to work trumps over staying up late in the night. I think I have been able to convince you changing your daily lifestyle. Not just yet. I still have to start implementing it. You're right. But as soon as you do, you will see the benefits yourself. In fact, your overall health will also improve. But Aman, don't you think I will get more time during the night to work as compared to just 2 to 3 hours in the day by getting up early? Yes, if you compare just by the number of hours, then it is true that the night will give you more hours. Then, would I not get more work done during the night? The number of hours might be more, but the productivity is surely going to be less. How so? Well, by night, you might already be tired by the rest of the day's work. So, although you might manage an additional 5 or 6 hours, but it will be at lower productivity. And you will also lose productivity the next day as you will feel tired from the previous night. That is true as well. Like I said earlier, working late into the night creates a vicious circle of tiredness, low productivity, and ultimately ill health. You're right. I think I will definitely try to make the changes in my daily routine so that I'm able to work better and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Yes, you should definitely try. It will also help you curb any late night hunger pangs that you get during the night. Oh, yes, that is definitely making me put on extra weight. Well, then, that should give you extra incentive to start waking up early. Yes, I think I will begin from tomorrow. Let's see how that goes. Best of luck to you. Hope the next time I see you, you are feeling better and more energetic. Until then, goodbye. Take care. Yes, hopefully. Thank you, Aman. Goodbye. So, this was a conversation between two friends discussing about working late into the night versus the benefits of working early in the morning. Hope you enjoyed this conversation. For more such conversations, keep watching out for this space. Until then, goodbye.